Hey friends, my name is Catherine and today I am doing the last of a set of 3 buttons. I've already done a honeybee and a bird, a little parrot. So today I'm going to do the 3rd button, and I think I want to do a cat face, a little cat face, a tiny little face of a cat. I've got these 2 holes already marked out for punching into it, and actually, no, I won't start by punching them in. I want to draw it first. I'm going to use those for the right in the center corner of the eyes for the cat. And we're going to make this cat face take up the whole space of the button. So you'll just be able to see like the eyes go. Let's do like a nice cat eye. There we go. And something like that for eyes, and then a pink nose. There we are. Just color that lightly in. It's going to be a real light pink. And let's just bring that out like that a little bit. And then we will go ahead and do the irises on the eyes and outline those in black too, because why not? The cat's going to be looking slightly that direction, if you can't tell already. Go. I find it's easiest when you're doing eyes because they have to match each other to have them slightly off center. As long as you have them both off center in the same direction, it's much harder to tell if they aren't looking at exactly the same point. It's a little trick. There we go. Okay, and then these cats are going to have dark green eyes, I think. Actually, let's do the pupils first. Go. There we are. Pupils. And then dark green. And we'll just color that in really lightly to begin with. And from the outside to the center. And then we'll go back through with another like shade of maybe yellow. That should be good for a cat eye, I think, like a yellow sort of band in the middle, maybe. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, oh yeah, I like that. Gotten to the point where I am going to cut out the holes to make it a button. There we go. I'm sorry, I wasn't recording. I just noticed that it wasn't recording, and oh, come on, you. Don't slip around like that. Stay in place. Where I want you to. There we go. That'll do better. But anyway, it's a ginger cat. Ginger colored cat. Orange and red and brown and stuff. Actually, I might want to put a little bit more brown in there. It's pretty heavily orange. But he turned out way cuter than I was expecting him to, which is a really nice surprise, you know? Ooh, maybe we'll go through here in the whisker area with a little bit of white before we cut him out. Maybe I wasn't entirely done coloring on him and I thought that I was. Let's see, go through here, maybe just underneath the whiskers with a little bit of white maybe. See, white once I put color down, just doesn't show up afterward. Shows up beforehand just fine, but not afterward. Alright, so let's cut him out and shrink him down. Go. I marked out where my holes were first so that I could position his eyes over them. Oh, and something that I did mention while I was talking to myself instead of talking to you was that I made his eyes looking slightly off center. I find it a lot easier to make it look like the eyes are directed toward the same place when they aren't looking fully to center. So, little tip, you might find it easier too, you might not. Try it out, see how it goes for you. Anyway, he's looking slightly that direction. And he's got a cute little pink nose and some stripes and some green eyes. My favorite color is green, by the way. But I did hear something interesting the other day. I don't know if you saw my button video where I made a bird, but I put the eyes off to the sides. That's because birds are, well, parrots anyway. Most birds are not predators. Predators, I heard this the other day, and it may be true or it may not. It might be something entirely made up. I don't know. I don't even remember the source that I heard it from, but whatever. The interesting thing that I heard was that predators tend to have their eyes in the front, whereas animals which don't tend to eat other animals tend to have their eyes on the sides, which, as far as I've been able to tell, is a pretty accurate thing to say. So it's probably true. It makes sense to me anyway. Let's shrink this guy down and see how he ends up when he's small. There we go, just warming everything up. Hopefully getting some shrinking action shortly. There we go. Aha! There we are. And then just make sure that everything's round-ish and shrunk down well enough and flat, sort of. And then just let it cool for a couple moments. I think the paint on the other side of this cookie tin is coming off, is what I think, with the heat from this. I don't know, it works well enough. We'll see how it looks. And that's how it turned out. Can't hardly see it when it's on my hand. See if I can get it close enough. Let me see if I can put it on a bit of paper. There we go. Now let's see if we can't get it close enough so that you can see it. Can you see that? I can't tell. Anyway, that's what I did today. I would love to hear what you did today. I'm always interested in hearing about new ideas or new projects to try. So please do, if you have an idea or something that you want to see me do, let me know. That's it for these 3 buttons for me today. And, oh, remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!